Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the most common questions people ask about Deep Blue Rub. Like, what is doTERRA's Deep Blue Rub used for, and how do I use Deep Blue Rub? doTERRA's Deep Blue Rub is a topical cream formulated with doTERRA's Deep Blue Soothing Blend of essential oil, natural plant extracts, and additional helpful ingredients that provide comforting sensations of cooling and warmth to problem areas of the body. Deep Blue Rub is a rich topical cream infused with Deep Blue Soothing Blend of essential oil. Made with doTERRA's top-selling Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend of wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang-ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, blue chamomile, osmanthus. Deep Blue Rub is an essential addition to your bathroom cabinet and your gym bag. doTERRA's Deep Blue Rub is blended in a base of moisturizing lotion that leaves your skin feeling soft and not greasy. It is a top choice for massage therapists and sports practitioners who currently use it in their practice. Putting Deep Blue Rub on your skin will give you a comforting sensation that is both cooling and warming. The cream gives you the ability to cover larger areas in a way just as powerful, but a little less strong than Deep Blue oil on its own. Whether you work out a few times a week or practically live at the gym, Deep Blue Rub is definitely a product you want to keep in your gym bag. Heavy lifting, intense running, and arduous workouts can leave the body with some discomfort in the hours and even days after exercise. But with Deep Blue Rub on hand, you can soothe any troubled spots while simultaneously moisturizing the skin. Whether you spend a lot of time writing, typing, or using the computer, playing an instrument, needlepoint, or knitting, or doing anything that's tough on your hands, Deep Blue provides the perfect way to comfort strained, sore, or tired hands. Not only will the cooling and warming sensation of Deep Blue Rub provide comfort, but the natural emollients of the lotion will leave your hands feeling soft and not greasy like other topical creams do. When your hands are in need of relaxation and repair, massage a dollop of Deep Blue into the palms, wrists, knuckles, and joints. Deep Blue is only for external use. Avoid contact with the eyes, the ears, or sensitive areas. Do not use on wounds or damaged skin, and do not bandage tightly after application or use it with a heating pad. Keep out of reach of children to avoid accidental ingestion. If swallowed, get medical help or contact poison control immediately. Start to discover how great it is to use Deep Blue Rub. If you're ready to get some Deep Blue Rub, visit mandysummers.com/deepbluerub or email me at trydoterra today@gmail.com. If you enjoyed learning about Deep Blue Rub and know of someone who could use Deep Blue Rub, please share this video with them. Let me know in the comments below your favorite ways to use Deep Blue Rub. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe below if you would like to get updated every time I upload a brand new essential oil video. If no one has told you today, you are amazing.